Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the DPI settings on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just tap on OK. Now once you enable developer options, just go back. From here, just scroll down and tap on developer options. Now in the search bar, just search minimum width. Now just tap on minimum width. Now if you tap on minimum width, you can change the DPI settings on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can change the DPI settings on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.